Good morning friends, and good news is Apple has started their online store in India and now you can order all your products at your doorstep. So without any delay, I thought of using this opportunity to surprise my girl on her birthday. Apple has many series of watches like the SE series, the 6 series and the 3 series. Since the 6 series is too expensive, so I was left with two options to choose, the SE series and the 3 series. Decided to go with the 3 series. The delivery, as expected, was on time, and I'm really happy with the kind of service Apple is providing. This video is going to be very different because the unboxing will be done by her. Happy birthday, baby.
Okay. Thank you.
So let's quickly open it. There's a watch. So the strap is attached with the watch. So let's see what else do we get. So this is the manual. You have an extra strap and there's a charger. Yes, let's remove the plastic now. So to switch it on, you have to press the second button. So if you haven't installed the watch app on your phone, then you can quickly go to the app store and download it. Once you download the app, you will see a start pairing button. Press it. You can pair the watch manually or automatically by bringing it near to the phone. To go to the main menu, press the scroll button. Press again to exit. Rotate the scroll button clockwise to zoom in and anti-clockwise to zoom out. You can also scroll around with the help of touch feature. To close the apps, press the second button and swipe left to close the app. And if you want to turn off the watch, hold the second button for 2 seconds. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.